Good morning, Unclouded Recruit. I'm Daytron Dean on another episode, and today I'm taking the day in the life of a property manager, and I got a really special guest with me right now, Duke. So let's get started.
A lot of days I like to start with watching a bit of Breakfast Club on YouTube, just information, catching up with the news, whether it's stock markets, things of that nature.
So now I'm about to grab my bag and head. But with this role, I'm pretty much providing customer service, helping tenants move in and move out, calling about credit card information and issues going on in the system, facilitating the whole building, making sure the standards and codes. So it's really cool little side part-time. Now we're finally on our way to the actual facility where I work at, and I'm very excited. It's Saturday, it's football, it's game day for the Razorbacks. I'm a big Hog fan, and so I'm excited to see some of the news on Twitter about us winning. I'm going to put it in the universe already. So, but it's going to be a good day overall. Hopefully have a lot of people come in and get some new units. And so I love that process to see people coming in. And, you know, it's almost being a property manager. It's almost like, you know, running a hotel or maybe a large apartment complex. So we have the similar issues that you would have. You have people coming in, people moving out, people having questions about their payment methods and things of that nature. So it's really cool. And so with my job, one thing I also love about it is that it's not really far from my apartment complex I live at right now. It's roughly, I think, a 45-second drive. And usually in the mornings, what I like to do, I like to go grab something from the gas station, like a energy drink or maybe like a little 0-calorie soda, something to keep me going in the morning, get a little bit of caffeine, because I'm not really big on coffee, but that's what I usually do. So we're gonna go get something to drink real quick. One of the first steps that I do every day is I actually drive around the property and I actually try to see if everything's back in place like it's supposed to be. So just a little quick overview and be able to see what's going on from that standpoint. Look at all the units, the outdoor storage units, to see what's going on, make sure nothing's out of the ordinary. I think this is like my favorite part of the day because I actually get to drive around in my car and the property. I feel like an inspector a little bit. I don't know, but it's kind of cool. So, and yeah, so I like it. I like it a lot. I made it to the storage unit facility, and so now I'm looking to start my actual day.
Cup, put some water in it.
Got my cup of water, and now we're going to go in our daily routine of walking the storage units and actually looking for any trash, anything of that nature to make sure we have a clean facility. Two things. One, I actually really love that we play 80s music. Hopefully you can hear it. And the second thing is, sometimes I get nervous or scared because the lights don't come on all the time, and you never know who's in here or what. So I'm a big guy, but still, hey, I have a little bit of fear as well. But got my water. I'm not a big coffee drinker, so this is my little fake it till you make it type of scenario. So we gotta love it.